Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Answers Simplified. In this video, I will be sharing answers of Viva Class 7 Social Science, Civics, Chapter 7 Economic Aspects of Gender. Let us discuss the long answer type questions. First question, discuss the role of women in the informal sector and the disadvantages they face. Answer, women make up a significant part of the workforce in our country. Amongst the rural women workers, most are employed in agriculture as farm laborers and cultivators. This type of activity belongs to the informal sector. The informal sector is unorganized and women workers have fewer rights, are discriminated against, and receive less remuneration. They do not receive bonuses, insurance, or any other benefits. Census data shows that between 1981 and 1991, the number of rural women agricultural workers increased by 36.15%. It is apparent that landlessness and poverty are forcing more rural women to join the labor force to earn dismal wages. This sector's money is not included in the calculation of national income. Sometimes women workers do not even receive minimum wages. Question 2. Division of labor at home as a gender bias, explain. Answer. In rural as well as urban India, educated and uneducated women manage almost all domestic chores. The housework done by women of the family is unpaid labor. This labor is excluded while calculating the national income. Housework is time consuming and physically demanding. It is a full-time job. However, it is invisible, devalued, and unrecognized. In most societies, even when women work outside their homes, they are not seen as the breadwinners of the family and they continue to do the housework. Men usually do not share the added burden of domestic work. Women face inequalities at home and do not always receive the same food and living conditions as men. Third question, what is meant by the invisibilization of women's work? Answer, women remain concentrated in invisible areas of informal work such as domestic labor and assistance in small family enterprises. These offer unstable employment status and low, irregular, or no remuneration. Women in the informal sector have limited ability to organize and thus cannot ensure enforcement of labor standards and human rights. Since most women do unpaid work, the economic value of that work is invisible. As such, most women continue to believe that marriage is their most viable option. Marriage can be seen as a labor contract as well. Through the marriage contract, men can exploit women's labor and become their economic masters. Thanks for watching.